Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to create biophilic style bedroom with Foyr Neo. I will show you 3 different examples of how to incorporate this design style into your interiors. In 3D mode, I will start to choose textures for my bedroom. Now, I will add a mural that I uploaded into my textures. Now it's time for the bed. I will use this bed, and with Create New Product, I will create custom bed frame. I will apply texture onto my bed frame and add some light underneath. The bed frame is ready. We have the nature mural as a focal point, and now I will create another point of interest on opposite wall. I will copy the same mural and will build an arch with LED lights around it. Now I will add some plants and accessories, and our biophilic bedroom will be ready. Now it's time to take the render. And this is how our biophilic style bedroom looks on renders. This is another example of biophilic style bedroom. And my last inspiration, with dark moody colors. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.